again. I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So today I'm gonna just show how I take down my twist out. You see that I have a little alfalfa moment going on right now. I like to band my hair, so whenever I just do the twist out one by one, it takes me about 2 hours. After that, I let it dry, and then I go in with like long scrunchies like this and just hold it into a ponytail and like band it to give it like this stretch effect. So that way, you know, when it's time to rock the twist out, it's puffy, it's fluffy, it's cute, and it's separated and it's stretched. So I kind of like leaving the ends out. So whenever I do like take down the twist out, like the ends are still kind of like coily and cute. So yeah, I'm going to jump right in and take this down. I probably had it stretched now for I think like 2 days now, and I've just been like walking around my house like this. It's really, really greasy and oiled really well. So like when I go to sleep, I wear one of these like jumbo shower caps on it. I kind of like bend it and like put this on and then wrap my hair with a little like hair tie. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry and take this down. I'm going to a little event tonight, so I'm already kind of like, so I'm gonna try to take this down as fast as possible and then show you how I achieve that big fluffy pineapple of an updo. So here we go. This is how it looks after it's stretched. So it's like really stretched. It's pretty dry. No complaints here. And like usual, kind of similar to like when I took down my braids, I like to grease my fingertips with my mix of oils and just go in and take them down. And also, now that I'm talking, before that, what I also like to do is go in and just like dust the ends. Not cut your ends, just like dust it. So like this one, for example, I'll just probably take like this much off. Not a lot at all. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I like to start from the back. Like not a lot, just like the ends. So I'm gonna go through, snip, snip, snip. And then I'm going to start the takedown process with greasing my little fingertips as I take it down. Ladies and gents, this is where we are. So I have all the twists out. You need to make sure you take all of them out, especially if you do them like small like I did, because sometimes I forget to take one out, and when I go to pick it, it's like you like yank it a little bit. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, all taken out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little scrunchie like this around my neck first before I get to the fluffing part, so I won't fluff it all up and then mess it up with this. So this, stop it right there, put it down, really avoid the makeup. Oh, this one is acting like a fool. So come around my face like this and just like keep this on my neck for a second, and then yeah, I'm just gonna go through and kind of like pick it out like this. Really focusing on the roots. You see the lift already compared to this side. So lift. You see that already? You see the difference. I know you do. So yeah, focusing on the roots. You want to keep the ends intact as much as you can, because I like to keep these twist outs probably, I don't know, if it can last me for about like 3 or 4 days, then I'll take it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go all the way around the head. Just focusing on the roots, really leaving the ends alone as much as I can. And then pick. Get a little close over here to the ends now that you've done the roots. Just so you can get that like ultimate lift. Pick. You see the little fro part in the middle now getting all good. Get really like, you want to touch every part so that way it's really like even and not lopsided at any point. Just being really careful not to pull your hair. Don't make yourself uncomfortable. But so yeah, now that I have it at this part, I like to do a little shake to the bottom of the lake. Okay. And then yeah, make sure I just like really tease it and like, especially up here at the top, because you want that like really big like look. Okay. And then next, oh, here's one that I like didn't untwist all the way that I was probably pulling on. But yeah, next I like to just grease my scalp just a little bit, touch it a little bit, rub it in like so. Really cute. I can see it forming. You gotta trust the process. Think about it, we went from alfalfa to this gorgeous girl. So as far as the products go, it's really nothing else that I put on the hair itself. If I wanted to get really fancy, I could do like a sheen spray, but I don't think that's necessary because I have so much product in it from like whenever I did the real twist out itself. I go in just really focusing on my edges with these two products. So it's the Eco Styler it's Eco Style Gel with olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. And then the Shea Moisture Coconut, Hibiscus, and Flaxseed Defining Styling Gel, only for my edges. So I start with this guy first. Just a little bit. Make sure what you're wearing, pro tip, will not mess up your twist out. So I have this on so I can easily unbutton it, so I won't run into any trouble whenever it's time for me to like change into my actual outfit. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a light amount because like I said, I want this to last me like 3 or 4 days, so I'm not gonna like weigh it down with a whole bunch of product. So the same thing with the back, if it can act right. Not sure if I can see that. Just like a little bit. And then before I brush, I'm going to layer on this Eco Styling Gel like so. Boom, boom, boom. So that way when you brush it, it gives you like a good sleek look. Okay, so I'm gonna use 2 types of brush for this. I'm gonna use like a medium brush and a really soft one. And I'll probably end up like going in with my edge control brush at the very end. So first, I'm just going to brush up. Look at that beauty. I know y'all see it. Brush up for this updo, and I'm just gonna brush all around wherever I put that Eco Styler and the Shea Moisture. Brush all around, just like so. I'm gonna go to the back, do the same thing. Okay. Then I'm gonna smooth it down with this brush, just so it can like really, really be shaped well. And then yeah, now I'm to the point where I can take my little neck thing down and pull it up. So this is what it's looking like right now. Just shaped really well. Okay, then I'll put this close to the nape of my neck and avoid my makeup again. Stop it like right there. Pull my ears around. And I like to have the back a little higher than the top, so that way it can give me like a good bang moment. And for these little hair ties, you want to remember to never get one that's like super tight, because again, this hairstyle can like literally give you a headache if something's like pulling on your or pressing into your scalp really tight. So beware of that. So this is like a good little spot to have it in. So after I do that, before I tease it anymore, I bring the hair back just a little bit so I can fix my edges first before I like do the final tease. So I'm gonna go back in with the Eco Style gel around my edges and actually like shape and swoop my edges with my edge brush. So let's do that really quick. I still like the little like curtain swoop thingamajiggies that we used to do in middle school. I used to like have a little comb with me. I would like swoop it and like trace it with the comb to really give the good effect. For this hairstyle, like, you know, give them a little like sideburn too. Why not? And then up here, this usually just goes straight back. Might give it a little bit of character just on this part right here. Looking good so far. All right, then same thing over here. This is probably, you just follow like where your baby hair is kind of already laying. I'll probably give this a little character right here. Give a little swoopity swoop action. Same thing right here, and then bring the little sideburn out. Okay. So yeah, this is one that I don't use that tie down method, because once I pick everything out anyway, it's going to probably cover, it will cover my baby hair. So that's as far as I go with that. That back. So then after that, it's really just like picking it some more. Look at this one, I forgot to take off. Forgot to take it off. So yeah, it's really just picking it more. The pick is your best friend. So you go up, up, up. You want to pick up. You raise this up. So you want to pick up. Everything is about the lift. The climb. It's the climb. Focusing on that front part too. You can give yourself a little bang moment if you wanted to. And then yeah, you want to make sure you do the back just as much, because you don't want to look like sideshow bow to the front, but then look like a little babe. You know how the babies be like laying down, the back of their hair is flat. We don't want that. We grown women over here, we gotta act like it. So yeah, just pick this up, up, up. And then if you needed to, you could really like use a bobby pin to like lift it up as well. But I think I like the way this is looking, so I'm not gonna use a bobby pin. And then you could just use your fingers to kind of tease the rest of the shape exactly where you want it to be. So yeah, I typically like to use a mirror and like make sure all the angles, you see how like the back right now is kind of like flat right there, so I know to like pick this part just a little bit more. I also miss those like medicine cabinets that you can like open up and like lean, so I just use one of these handheld mirrors to make sure that every angle of this hairstyle is giving what I need it to give. And it's looking pretty good. After I've shaped it, I kind of always like to give it a little like shake to really have it like fluff. But yeah, this is the hairstyle we're gonna go with. Natural hair moment. Sometimes it's good to just let your hair breathe, you know? I do a pretty good job of like keeping my hands out of my hair and just letting it sit and grow. But sometimes some good air for it is not a bad idea. So this is what we're looking like. I like it. Nice little updo. I'm always wondering like what it would look like if I like had one of those packs of like natural clip-ins when I did this. I might try to get those. I don't know. I haven't used those before, but I'd probably be like way fuller and like, but no, this is nice. That way my, you know, scalp can like breathe too. I'm gonna hurry up and go put on my dress so I can get out the door. I'm late as usual. I need to work on that. But this is what it's looking like. I'll come back for one last look, for the final look with my dress on, and then I'll head out the door. Okay, final look. My favorite part means that I finally got ready so I can head out the door. I always like to keep like a mini pic, whatever you want to call it, with me. So that way you can like touch up during the night. I'll probably do like a takedown or like a tie-up video later on tonight, but yeah, this is it. Nice, big, fluffy, cute, all of the above. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye. Okay, just in case y'all were wondering how to like keep your twist out looking good and like the maintenance and how you sleep with it, I already kind of did it, but I want to show y'all that you basically take the little band that was right there and roll it up to the very top, where you just have the top of your pineapple kind of sticking out, just like that. You can see the back. And then you're gonna want to put like a jumbo shower cap. This one's already like all greased up over it. And then tie your hair up. And that's it. And then tomorrow, whenever you take it down, you can like shake it out and put the band back, and the twist out should still like be holding strong. But yeah, good night, y'all.